Hi, my name is Joe Moore. I'm a professional computer programmer. And you might think of computer programming as looking like this. Here I am in programming. Well, if you're lucky, you don't have to work on this thing. You can work on one of these really big things. Working by yourself, that's not very much fun. So I actually practice pair programming. And pair programming is two developers working on the same software problem at the same time using two keyboards and two mice. Two heads are better than one for a variety of many, many reasons. And so I pair program with this guy over here. Oh, well, actually, I work from home. So what do I do when I work from home and I want to do pair programming, which has been empirically shown to be a superior form of solving software problems? Well, I perform remote pair programming. And, right now my pair isn't there, but hey, I use this iPad. We use a screen for screen sharing. I have an extra laptop for work on the side. And normally what you see on this iPad right here is my pair's face from several thousand miles away. And when you actually see it in action, it looks a little something like this.
People screen and then I back out of this, that's when it does it.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
And so then I go to people and I try to rotate and it just doesn't, it never goes.
Never does it.
So this does behave the way we want it.
That really is. So I can talk about a variety of remote pair programming challenges, which is a lot of the human aspects. I can talk about how to manage remote teams as a software lead. And I can teach people how to incorporate remote pair programming into their distributed teams. And they can actually also go to my blog, remotepairprogramming.com. So hopefully, I should say I know that this is going to be a good talk because I've given this talk about remote pair programming probably over a dozen times at major conferences like the Agile conference every year. I've given it at local meetups. I've given it at technology conferences. I've given it to smaller companies. I've given it to my own company. I've talked about this stuff a lot. I'm kind of the remote pairing guy, really. So I believe in this passionately. I believe that people can incorporate remote pair programming into their software teams either as individual contributors, such as myself, or as entire remote distributed organizations doing pair programming across multiple time zones. So I'd love to talk to the people at your conference. I think we could have a very educational session and people get a lot of value out of it.